All right, let's go over example 3, evaluating algebraic expressions. So let's do some algebra. And this is part of chapter 3, section 1, algebraic expressions. Okay, problem A says to evaluate k plus 10 when k equals 25. So k plus 10 is our algebraic expression. So I'm going to go ahead and get that down here. We have k plus 10 when k equals 25. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to substitute 25 for k. So we know k equals 25, right? So instead of k, I'm going to type 25 plus 10. Okay, so we substituted 25 for k. Now, what operation do we need to perform? Well, we have an addition symbol, so now we're going to add. And I know that 25 plus 10 is 35. So there we go. We just solved our first algebraic expression. All right, let's go over another one. We have evaluate 4 times n. Remember, we only use the multiplication dot for algebra, not the x symbol, because that could be confused as a variable. So 4 times n when n equals 12. Okay, so we have 4. Copy and paste my little dot here. 4 times n when n equals 12. So our first step is going to be substitute 12 for n. Oh, I spelled substitute incorrectly. There we go. Okay, so we're going to do 4 times 12. And then we need to multiply, because the dot, remember, means multiplication. And I know that 4 times 12 is 48. And that's it. Let's go through another one. We have part C says evaluate 24 plus C when C equals 9. 24 plus C. First thing we're going to do is we're going to substitute 9 for C, because we know that C equals 9 in this case. Oops, I can't spell substitute this morning. Okay. Substitute 9 for C. So now we have 24 plus 9. And our operation is to add. So our next step is to add. And I know that 24 plus 9 is 33. Now, I know what you might be thinking. You might be saying, wait a minute, so if C equals 9, does B equal 8? And does E equal 10? No, that is not the case. These variables, I know it doesn't super maybe make sense why C equals 9 in this case. It makes a little more sense when we have like a real life problem with the algebraic expression, but C will not always and forever equal 9. So B will not always and forever equal 8. Okay, that's not how algebra work. N will not always and forever equal 12. It's just in this particular problem, n equals 12. For the next algebraic expression, maybe n will equal 35, or n could equal 1,000. It could be whatever. So don't get stuck on, oh, C always and forever equals 9. Nope, not the case. Just for this particular problem. Okay?